Okay, my dear, let's continue. Okay, my dear, can you hear me? Okay, there you go. Okay, next picture. What is this place?
In the suburbs.
Okay, in the suburbs. What can you see in the picture?
So this is how the place but then how
Houses. Do you
how
know? Okay, you mean houses. Okay, you can see. The picture shows a place in the suburbs. Shows a place in the suburbs. There are many houses. What else?
many trees.
Yes, very good. Many trees. Okay,
There
what
is
else?
tree. There is tree. Tree.
Uh, can you can you can you show it more? Yes, street. Very good. Okay, my dear, street. Okay, where is our sentence here? Okay, again. Okay, the picture shows a place in the suburbs. It has, okay, and a street. Okay, my dear, let's try the sentence.
So this is how a plane in the suburbs. It has many houses, many trees, and a street.
Okay, can you say this one, my dear? Houses.
Houses.
Okay, oh no, where? Houses.
Houses.
Okay, very good. Okay, here. How about this one? What is this place?
In the countryside.
Very good. And what can you see in the picture?
Mm, many houses.
Yes, more. Many cows. Very good. What else?
Mm, two houses.
Yes, two houses. Houses.
Two houses.
Okay, we say if there is only one house, we say one house. If there are two, we say houses. Three houses. Okay? Very good. Okay, my dear, what else can you see in the picture?
A tree. A
Yes,
flat.
trees. Yes, very good. And a road. And here it's called fence. This one. Okay, the fence. Okay, here, fence. Okay, we can see fence. Okay, good job. Next picture. Okay, this one. What is this place?
In the city center.
Yes, very good. And what can you see in the city center?
Mm, a car.
There are,
People.
yes, what else?
many cars. Coi như thế nào? High
Buildings.
building.
Okay. People, many cars, many buildings. What else? Okay, you can see her here. This one and this one. Street lights. Okay, street light. Okay. Now, try to describe it. Again, let's describe this picture in complete sentences. Okay, you try. The picture shows
Tourist discover Evelyn the city center. It has a street light, many cars, many people, buildings.
very good. Okay, good job. Good job, my dear. Correct. Next. And the last one, the last picture. What is this place?
I don't even know.
Okay, in a valley. Okay, in a valley. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
Mountain.
Very good. What else?
Street.
Yes, a street or a road. Okay, a road.
Road.
Okay, what else?
Many trees.
Yes, many trees. And how about this? This and this.
Two houses.
Yes, very good. Now you try to describe it in complete sentences.
It's a picture in a valley. It has two houses around mountain.
And many trees. Yes, very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Good job. You now know how to construct complete sentences. Okay, very good. Now let's have a dialogue. Okay, let's have a question and answer. I will be teacher and you will be Unwoo. Okay? Where do you live, Unwoo?
I live in an apartment in Seoul,
Seoul, South Korea.
South Korea.
Okay. Where in Seoul is your apartment?
My apartment is in the city center.
What is your home like?
It is small, but it's comfortable. It has one bathroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room. We have a nice balcony and
Garage.
garage for our car.
Yes. Is it a modern apartment, Unwoo?
No, it's quite old, but it's not cold or damp. How about you? Where do you live?
I live in an old house in the countryside. It's small and dark. It has kitchen, living room, bedroom, and a bathroom. But it has a very large garden and it's by a river. So I love it. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's answer these questions. If you remember the answer, where in Seoul does Unwoo live?
Where in Seoul do you live?
Do you remember the answer? He lives in.
Live in Seoul, South Korea.
Very good. Question number 2. Is Unwoo's home big?
No, it isn't. It's small.
Okay, what else?
It is small, but it's comfortable. It has one bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room. We have a nice balcony and a garage for our car.
Yes, you can say Unwoo has a small house, but it's comfortable. It has bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and living room. He has a nice balcony and a garage for his car. Okay, good job, my dear. Very good. And the last question, does Unwoo's teacher live by the coast?
Mm, no, in the countryside.
What else?
Mm, mm, I mean, teacher, teacher, his, this teacher living an old house in the countryside. It's small and dark. It has a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, and a bathroom. But it has a very large garden and it's by a river, so I
So
live in
she loves it. Okay,
the
so she loves it. Okay, my dear, very good. Good job for today. Okay, I'm happy that you are a quick learner. You know now how to construct simple sentences. That is very good. And you can express yourself too. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, my dear, let's continue this tomorrow. And happy afternoon. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, my dear. Bye.